How to select and copy text on your PDF document. So if you're unable to select or copy text, this is usually because the PDF is actually an image. Now to fix this, just go and load up your PDF document like so. You could then click on Print, select Microsoft Print to PDF, and then just press the print button. You'll then have the option to resave the PDF file, so go and give your file a name and then press save. You can then open up an internet browser and head over to the website google.com. Now once you're signed into your account, click on this square icon to bring up Google Apps, and then click on Drive. Now click on New and select File Upload. You then need to select the PDF document that we just saved onto our computer, so mine's this one here. Now once it's finished uploading, click on the file, click on Open with Google Docs. Now this will convert your PDF into a Word document. So as you can see, what we can do now is we can go and select any of this text, and you can just copy this as you would a regular document.